Hey Craftsie, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a spin the wheel challenge. I'm so excited! Okay, so the spin the wheel challenge is a challenge where I would spin the wheel. Whatever it lands on is what I need to make. Now this is jewelry based, and I do want to experiment later on to create something, you know, different with it. Okay, so we're going to spin the wheel. So you will see the options here. The first spin the wheel is like what you're going to make. So like necklace, key rings, earrings type things, charms. Then the second spin the wheel is what I need to incorporate, like charms, wax cord, whatever. So I'm going to have 2 spins. Okay. So this is the spin the wheel. Now I've got everything here. I can use anything and everything that I need. Okay, so first things first, we're going to spin the wheel. Okay, looks like foam charm. And then let's do second one. Ooh, a foam charm with string. Okay, one of these with string. Okay, seems okay, so let's take it out. Taking one foam charm and then a bit of string. So I've kind of have an idea. So if we're going to use the string, let us use, let's say, I'm just going to cut it to just any length. So I need like literally string, a string of beads. Maybe these beads, like a few of these beads. So I'm just going to use this bead board. I'm gonna just put a few of these beads in there. Okay, so now it's about putting it together. So I have like a kind of idea, so I kind of just want to go with it. Just want to get some crimp beads out. So we are going to use some of these beads, some of these beads, and then crimp beads. Okay, so I have then a charm. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make a little loop. I'm going to use a crimp bead. Okay, so I'm going to take a crimp bead, little crimp bead, and then I'm going to make a little loop. So I'm going to put this charm on the loop. And then I'm just going to tighten it till it's like relatively okay, right? And then I'm going to use my round nose pliers. Okay, cool. So this is the type of thing I'm going for. So I'm just going to cut it down to size. Okay, and then I'm just going to use a crimp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some beads. So look, I'm going to add beads like silver, gold. I don't like the string curling up like this. Like this is always such an irritation. Okay, so we have this so far. Now I want to add a few more beads. So I just want to add, let's say 2 or 3 of these. Cool. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to end it off again. So I'm just going to make like another loop. Okay, and then I'm just going to add a crimp bead. So this time I'm going to use this crimp bead. I'm going to take the knot out. You know when you do things without thinking about it? This is literally the challenge. For me, I'm a planner, so I love planning things. And if I don't plan something, it's kind of like out of the ordinary for me. So I'm not a spontaneous person. So that's why you see me struggle. And that's like the challenge for me. That is what challenges me as like a creator. Because I'm going to see if I can use it without that. So I'm going to use another crimp bead. So I want to use the little crimp bead and make like a little loop. So what I'm going to do, so now I've got it like this. Cut it down. It looks terrible. It looks terrible, but it's okay. That's the challenge. That's the challenge, is to try and make something look good, and it's clearly not. Okay, so this is the phone charm, kind of charming. Oh my word, this is the phone charm. Okay, so that's it. That's the first one. Not perfect. It's not a good start, but it's a start. It's a start. Okay, so I just want to put these beads away. But it's kind of a start. Like, it's something that I'm starting with. So it's okay to start messy, you know? Like, the next one will be better, hopefully. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that. Next week we'll have the rest of this video series ready for submission. There was just a few technical difficulties. So come back next week, have a wonderful one, and then check out this video or this video next. Bye!